This is Atlas25, Lucid's new 25 GigE industrial machine vision camera. Let's do a quick overview. With this Atlas25 25 GigE camera, you get even higher frame rates than with 10 GigE cameras, but in a similar compact size. The compact camera has excellent thermomechanical design and comes with an integrated optical transceiver. Now, before I go into more detail about those two features, let me go over the basics. The Atlas25 is capable of up to 3.1 gigabytes per second. It can stream image data using either GigE Vision UDP or the new GigE Vision 3.0 Remote Direct Memory Access, or RDMA. This RDMA protocol is based on the ROCCI V2 standard, which is already heavily used in HPCs and data centers. RDMA allows data transmission to bypass the OS and CPU and transfer data directly to the PC memory. This frees up CPU resources for your other vision processing tasks and is extremely beneficial when scaling up the number of 25 GigE cameras in your application. It basically eliminates almost all of the strain on the OS and CPU to manage all that streaming data. Instead, the data stream is managed by the camera and the RDMA network interface card. Speaking of the network interface card and 25 GigE camera accessories in general, they are extremely cost effective. For example, our 2-port 25 GigE RDMA NIC has an MSRP of $225 USD. In addition, optical fiber cables are very low cost as well. Our 15-meter LC duplex multimode optical cable is only $20, and so is the optical transceiver that we resell. Now, I mentioned earlier about the integrated optical transceiver on the camera. That means you'll only need one transceiver to attach the cable to the NIC or your switch. You don't need one on the camera side, as the camera has a direct LC fiber connection. Why would we do this? Well, there's a few benefits to having an integrated optical transceiver in the camera. For starters, it allows us to keep the camera as compact as possible. It also reduces the total number of steps needed for camera installation. But most importantly, the transceiver components in the camera go through the same camera quality tests to guarantee industrial reliability. That means those components go through the same extreme temperature cycling and thermal shock tests, physical impact and vibration testing, and electrostatic discharging tests. So you can trust that each Atlas25 unit is quality tested for industrial use, and that includes the optical transceiver components in the camera. The thermomechanical design of the Atlas25 allows it to operate in a wide temperature range of -20 up to 50 degrees Celsius ambient with no heat sinks or active cooling needed. You can be sure that this camera is tested to operate at a room temperature of up to 50 degrees and suffer no image quality or data streaming degradation. Each camera unit also goes through active sensor alignment during manufacturing, ensuring that each unit gives you crisp and clear images from the center of the image to the edge, and having the sensor consistently placed within the lens barrel for each and every camera unit. The camera has an image buffer of 880 megabytes. This allows for packet retransmission, giving you an additional layer of data transmission reliability in case there's a short network disruption in your application. It features a 17-pin GPIO, which includes RS422 differential inputs for advanced camera control and triggering, along with compatibility with quadrature encoders. The Atlas25 is our fastest camera to date, and it demonstrates our position that Ethernet continues to be the best camera interface for industrial vision applications. So for those of you who are still in the process of choosing a camera and are not sure about which interface to choose, Ethernet offers some very clear benefits. For starters, it doesn't suffer from interference as some other interfaces do. It offers long cable lengths. Accessories such as network cards, cables, and switches are relatively low cost and readily available from many different vendors. And Ethernet allows for complex network topologies to be built. Standards such as the Precision Time Protocol, PTP, and GigE Vision Scheduled Action commands can be used to synchronize and trigger multiple cameras for deterministic operation. And finally, Ethernet cameras offer a clear upgrade path from 1 GigE all the way to 25 GigE because the entire ecosystem is built on the GigE Vision standard. And of course, all of Lucid cameras are fully GigE Vision compliant. So if you're looking to jump straight up to 25 GigE cameras, please check out more details about our Atlas25 camera on our website with a link in the description below. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching and stay lucid.